90% of people watching me right now uses Google search engine on a daily basis to search for answers to questions or search for fraud. It's the most popular website in the world today, used by billions of people on a daily basis. What if I told you that you can use Google as a tool to get you paid online? On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get paid by searching on Google. Yeah, right, you heard me. I'm going to be showing you how to get paid just to search on Google. So with that being said, welcome to Online Money Tactics, and on this channel I talk about making money online. I make tutorial videos giving tips, strategies on how to make money online. So if today is the first day of you coming to my channel, or if you've come before, I'd like for you to subscribe to this channel, be a part of our family, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post awesome content, YouTube is going to notify you. And I really need your support to like this video if at the end of this video you gain any value, and leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd really love to hear what you have to say, and also share this video with your friends because I want them to win as you're winning as well. And if you come on here on my channel, you're going to see there are lots of video you can leverage on to make money for yourself online. So with that being said, let's jump right into the video. Before we go to Google and I show you how to use Google to get paid, first of all, you want to come to this website called mindsumo.com. And what this website basically is a place where companies and everyday people like you and I work together. For instance, if a company owner needs some idea, or probably you are a company owner and you need some idea on how to boost your company's growth and probably skyrocket your business. So what people do is that they come on MindSumo, ask questions, and pay people who would give a valuable and innovative answers. So what we'll be going to be doing, since you and I don't own a company as it stands, or probably if you own a company, but I know most people watching now don't own a company, so your guess is right. So we're going to be answering these questions on this website to get paid on here. So let me show you real quick how legit this website is. As you can see, delivering innovative ideas towards top brands. You have Yahoo here, you have Facebook, you have Adidas, you have Shell, you have Coca-Cola, you have a lot of big companies they've worked with on this website. That is to show you that this website is legit, and whatever you're going to be doing here, you are sure that you're going to be making money. As you can see, you can get paid. This website can pay out up to between $800 to $1,600, and I've seen where they've paid up to $20,000. What they do is, when they put out a question out there and they get answers coming in, after a while they review the answers and they pick the top winners, top people that give valuable and innovative answers. Now they share the prize money between these people. So the money is spread. If they got 10 valuable answers, they are going to spread this $1,600 amongst those 10 people. So that's basically how it works. As you can see here, they have $20,000 prize pool, and so on and so forth. So with that being said, and after taking you now through what the site is all about, the next thing I want to show you now is how to sign up. So when you click on login on here at the top right hand, it's going to show you don't have an account. So you're going to click on that, and it's going to take you to where you're going to sign up. And here is it. First of all, you want to put your name, you want to put your last name, your location, your email address, your date of birth, your gender, your creativity skills. I would suggest you put average proficiency for creativity skills, marketing skills, and technical skills. And on here they are asking you a question. They say, why are you interested in using MindSumo? And this next one says, what type of projects are you most interested in solving? So just answer those both questions and come on here and tick these boxes and click I am not a robot and click to sign up, and your account will be created, and they'll review your details and get back to you shortly, and you start answering questions on here to get paid. So let me log in real quick into my account. If you sign in, this is how your dashboard is going to be looking like on here. So after doing that, the next thing you want to do is look for a question you want to pick. The question that you want to answer, you can come on here and you can find lots of questions on here. This one said reimaging the future pharmacy experience. This one said propose an idea to change the world of gift wrapping. So all you have to do now is pick a question out of the numerous one you're going to have here, or probably you're going to be answering all. The next place you want to go to, if I click on this other one, is going to, this is how can social media provide a more positive experience for users. You can go ahead and answer this question, or this one that says reimaging the future of pharmacy experience. So if after picking the question you want to answer, you come on here to Google, and like I said earlier on this video, Google is a search engine everybody use in the world. Billions and billions of people use it all around the world. So what you want to do is copy this question, on here and paste it right here on Google. Let me put that here, paste it and hit enter, and it's going to give you articles and results of people who have written answers to these particular questions on here. As you can see, if I should open this one right here that said 13 positive effects of social media on society today, as you can see, this is an article that has been written by someone. So once you go on, once you've seen the best article that you want to submit as your answer, the next thing you want to do is that you want to rewrite this article yourself. And I'm going to be showing you a software that is going to help you rewrite this article yourself, because you don't want to copy and paste someone else's article. That's going to have copyright issues and it might get in trouble. So you want to spend a little bit of time to rewrite these articles, and yeah, this strategy I'm showing you today demands a little bit of your time to do a little bit of work to get paid. So you go into this app called Quillbot. You must have heard in my previous video. If you watched my previous videos, I've talked about Quillbot. So another pro tip I want to give you is that in the free version of Quillbot, you can only paraphrase or rewrite 700 words character at a time. So all you want to do is open up a notepad, and every phrase, every word or article, part of article you will write, you copy it and paste it on the notepad. So let me demonstrate it right now on this video. So if you come on here and you copy this first one, number 1, social media, building relationships and staying connected, you copy that first of all, and you come on Quillbot and you paste it right there, and you click here on paraphrase, and on this other side is going to paraphrase it. Now as you can see, it's done paraphrasing and rewriting this article for you. So what you want to do is copy it and paste it on your notepad, then go again to the site and do the same thing again. Come on here, copy number 2, and so on and so forth. So after you've gotten your answers ready on your notepad, then you copy this answer and you come back to this place and you paste your answers, and once you are among the top winners, they are going to be picking, you're going to get paid. Another way to do this is by you probably going on Fiverr and paying someone who does article writing to help you answer these questions, and you come on here to paste the answer, and definitely you're going, if the article is good, definitely you're going to get selected to be paid. Lots and lots of questions. You can answer lots and lots of questions on here. As you can see, there are questions on here you can answer, and just sit back and relax. And I'm sure if your articles are good or your answers are good or valuable or innovative, they are going to pick you as the top winners, and all of you are going to share the money. So thereby you can make as much as $300, $500, $1,000, $2,000 on this website. So that's it on this video, guys. If you gained any value from this video, I'd really like you to leave a like on this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post awesome videos or better videos than this one, YouTube is going to notify you. And leave a comment in the comment section below, because I really love to hear what you have to say. Share this video with your friends. And for more ways to make money online, there will be 2 videos popping up on your screen right now. Go check one out, and I'm sure you're going to gain value. Till I see you in my next video, always remember that Matthew loves you.